Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In front of me I have POCO F8 Ultra. In this video I want to show you how to free up storage space on this device. So first of all, let me show you how to see how much space do you have left. To do that, you want to open settings. Now let's go to About Phone section. Let's tap on storage. And here you will see different categories and how much space they take up. Additionally, you will see here visual representation of how your storage looks like, how much left, and how much is occupied. I wanted to tell you about the built-in application that is called Security. Let's open that. And if you go to section Cleaner, and wait until your phone detects some data, you can clear some cache using this cleaner feature. So let's press Cleanup button at the bottom side of the screen. And basically this deletes some system cache, some junk files, so do not worry about your data, it will not be deleted. It simply cleans some system cache. Okay, and now I want to show you how to clean a little bit deeper. So if you tap on Finished Clean over here, you will see Deep Clean section, and this is where you can see some suggestions from the phone, from your device. So for example, in my case, I have 3 steps to free up almost 6 gigabytes. So those include that I have to delete some videos, uninstall unused applications, and also clear app data. For you it will be something different, so you can follow those steps in order to free up some space. Okay, now let's go back to Settings application and let me show you how to clean cache for individual applications. In your settings, you want to scroll to section Applications, and for example, let me open AliExpress, and then I will have to press Storage section, and at the bottom I want to tap on Clear Data button, and please select Clear Cache option instead of Clear All Data, because if you tap Clear All Data, it will reset all settings, and that's not what we want. I just want to clear cache for this application. And you can repeat those steps for all applications that you use. Yes, as I mentioned earlier, you can delete some unused applications from your device that you no longer need, that you don't use. Yes, you can review your gallery and delete some large videos and also photos that you don't need, because all that takes up your space. And additionally, you have to empty the trash bin in your gallery. So let's open Gallery application. Now we want to switch to this section over here. And now let's scroll until you see Recently Deleted section. And please clear this trash bin because it also takes up your storage. As you can see at the top, how much my trash bin takes up. So that's basically it. Those were the main tips on how you can clear up some space on your POCO F8 Ultra device, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.